Redmon! Train running on tracks.
Please change tracks to Haba Station. Roger. Huh? Oomph! What's happening? Oh, the lever is a bit stiff. But don't worry. Okay. Phew. Looks like I'll be finishing work safe and sound today too. Ladies and gentlemen, this train will arrive at Haba Station shortly. Please make sure you have all your belongings with you.
We will arrive shortly. This train is fast.
Yes, you're right.
The tracks! Ah! Ah!
Ah!
Ah! Help!
An accident! There's been an accident! A train coming into Haba Station ran off the tracks and was overturned.
What?
Rescue cars to Haba Station!
Okay. Rescue cars, to the rescue.
Rescue cars to the rescue!
Rescue car, to the rescue!
Oh dear, how did it go off track?
The tracks are disconnected!
What?
I think maybe the transducer didn't work. Rescue cars, please get the passengers to safety first.
Got it.
I'll check the tracks on the other side and help cars and people there.
Okay. Go, rescue cars!
Yeah!
Now, carefully, carefully.
Huh? What's that?
Whoa!
Oh no! I think the ground is weak and it's going to collapse soon!
What?
If the train falls on the ground, then the other train cars are in danger too!
Leo?
Make sure the train doesn't fall. I'll call the crane.
Don't worry. But before that, we need to separate the train cars. That way, we can prevent a bigger accident.
Leave that to me!
Got it. I'm ready.
Hooray! I cut off the links.
Ah! 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 I can't hold on much longer. Ah!
No, just a little longer.
Ah!
Rescue cars!
Leo, the crane is here.
Good job holding on, Leo. I'll help you out now. Let's go!
Yee-haw! Thanks, Crane.
It's nothing.
I'll take all the passengers to the hospital.
Great, Popo. I'll lead them to you. Good job, rescue cars. Return to headquarters when the situation has been sorted. I'm going to request a safety check of all the tracks. Rescue cars here. Paging control room, over.
Because the ground is weak, it has to be repaired properly so it doesn't collapse again. There is no room for mistakes.
Understood!